It is too dead to be not dead.
I'm gonna make you dead.
I'm dead!
The heavy is dead.
Yes, I am dead.
Why is the heavy dead?
I don't know.
I think it was.
You are dead.
Okay. What's up, you wankers? Who's up for it? That. What the hell just happened? The heavy is dead. The heavy is dead. Correct. So, did you see the murderer?
Sorry, mate.
I will find him. I will capture him. And no one will ever die again.
That's nice.
The heavy is dead. We know who killed him. We don't know. I will find clues. What's that? A weapon. That thing is why the heavy is dead. The heavy is dead. Yes. He died.
Oh, no!
Never mind.
In my medical opinion, that heavy is dead!
Doc, what happened?
My professional opinion? The heavy must kill it! Oh, God, let's go shut up. I don't think it's anything to worry about.
Well, now?
Flippity clop, everybody! Look at this, the freaking heavy's dead! What do you think of that?
Yes, Scout.
Yeah.
Good. Oh,
Come on! Freaking unbelievable, this is awesome!
okay. Let's get back to the point.
I think Heavy is dead.
The heavy is dead.
I can hear you!
Oh, shit, isn't it? Who killed Heavy?
It was me.
Oh,
Yes. I didn't like this.
How did you know?
I didn't.
That's right.
It was me, you monster. Because you're fat.
Boy, and another thing, you're ugly.
engineer, stop! Engineer, you are so big! It's not funny. Engineer,
Damn it, heavy. You are dead.
no, you are! You are dead. No big surprise.
Well, that was idiotic. Off to hang myself. Off and learn. What